Hey you, Curtis here. You're watching Chasing Cheddar, coming to you from Covert Customs. Here's a sneak peek of the birdhouses up for sale at the townwide yard sale today in my neighborhood. All custom made, custom hand painted. Some purty things here. That's my favorite, besides this one. And that's just some. I'll show you some more in a minute. Here's some more of the birdhouses that they make and paint. Pretty cool. All hand painted, freehand, no stencils. Very talented individuals, I tell you. And obviously by the themes, we live on the shore. But appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching. Later.